Here are 6 tips for becoming a millionaire and reaching financial freedom. Tip number 1, stay away from debt. Debt is like a quicksand to your financial dreams. Every time you buy something that you don't absolutely need, you're digging a deeper hole for yourself and throwing away the money that could be saved and invested to accelerate your journey to becoming a millionaire. Before you spend money to buy anything, pause and ask yourself, why do I need this product or service? Can I delay the purchase or prevent it altogether? How does this purchase align with and support my vision of becoming a millionaire? Tip number 2, invest early and consistently. Make savings a priority and instead investing early. Retiring early and becoming a millionaire is not tied to a specific age and rather the amount of income generating assets that you are able to create. If you want to accumulate wealth and reach your goal of becoming a millionaire, take advantage of the magic of compounding interest, starting investing early and consistently. Tip number 3, increase your income to reach your goal faster. While earning more money is often easier said than done, there are ways that you can increase your income by learning new skills, using some of the existing talents that you have to earn side income as a freelancer, or thinking outside the box to use your assets, such as your car or home, to generate income through services like Lyft, Uber, or Airbnb. Tip number 4, develop multiple streams of income. The additional streams could include any alternative sources of income such as real estate rentals, stock market investments, part ownership in a side business, YouTube advertisement income, and etc., to name a few of those. Tip number 5, don't show off, instead show up. As international sales experts and 1.7 plus real estate fund manager, billionaire Grant Cardone indicates, he didn't buy his first luxury watch or car until his businesses and investments were producing multiple secure flows of income. He was still driving a Toyota Camry when he had become a millionaire. As Cardone says, be known for your work ethics, not the trinkets that you buy. And lastly, tip number 6, reflect and know your why. In order for you to remain consistent and not give up, it is important to know your why. Take the time to reflect on why you are planning to become a millionaire. Knowing clearly what motivates you to pursue financial freedom and to aim for becoming a millionaire can be the fuel that pushes you when you encounter obstacles along the way. What is your why to pursuing financial freedom? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this Momentum channel video. We put a lot of time and effort to make this video and we'll really appreciate if you can give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might also benefit from the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to Momentum channel for more videos about investing, financial freedom, and personal development. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.